Okay. So, hello po. My name is Ryan J. Abelio, and I'm the one who's gonna report our PPT. Okay, so let me introduce our team first, or our group members first. First, our interviewer is Dominic, and the reporter is me, Ryan. The PowerPoint, the one who make PowerPoint is Jen and Rolando. So this is their picture. Yes, it's a Starbucks then. Starbucks din yun. So yun, Starbucks ang na-interview namin. And nakalocate ko sa, yan, at Aria Residence. Ang name is Starbucks Reserve at Aria Residence. Mas-search sa Google Maps. Yan, ito yung supervisor ng Starbucks ng branch na yun. Siya yung supervisor. Her name is Ma'am. Hindi ko nalagay, pero Ma'am Ana Patricia Hernando. May asawa at anak na siya, so mapits Ma'am. 10 years na raw siya sa Starbucks Bayside View. So, simulan na natin. Levels of diversity. Inclusive workforce with different ages, genders, racial background, and socioeconomic statuses. So, based sa sagot nila, yung workforce daw nila ay nag-i-include ng mga iba't ibang klase, iba't ibang ages, genders, vocational backgrounds, yan. So, good for them kasi any kind of age can be there, can be, let's say, cashier, can do this and that. Basta, hindi naman ganun kahirap lang. Although, you have different kind of skills, but in the end, kahit bata ka, kaya pa rin itong gawin. Basta syempre, na-practice mo yun, diba? Tapos, genders, syempre, babae, lalaki, kaya naman yun. Kaya may pag-usap na maayos. Kaya magsalita ng malumanay, although malalim, pero kaya magsalita ng malumanay. Gentle or, gentle. Hindi lang gentleman, gentle, mapababae man o lalaki. Both can speak gently, professionally, whatever. Sa educational backgrounds, despite their educational backgrounds, it doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, basta kung anong binibigay ng anong dapat ipakita ng isang, let's say, nagagawa ng coffee, ng pastries, or kung sinong nasa cashier, nag-serve ng food and drinks, hindi na kailangan yan. Hindi na kailangan ng pag-aaral. At the end of the day, it's all about experiences and training. Socio-economic statuses. Ano nga yung sabihin nito? Ayun. Siguro yung status ng buhay nila. Yan. Itasimarin ko ang status ng buhay nila. So yun. Nag-hire din sila ng full-time and part-time employees. Full-time kasi focus dun sa mismong work. Part-time kasi may kanya-kanya tayong ginagawa sa buhay. So, ang sagot nila dito is creating a mixed experiences and perspectives. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, I think, is dahil sa merong full-time at merong part-time. Ang full-time is fully nagkakaroon ng experience sa work, full-time. And sa part-time naman, since part-time sila, meron silang ibang ginagawa pa sa buhay. Let's say they have their other work or other hobbies, talent. Since meron silang ibang ginagawa sa buhay. Yung ibang ginagawa nila sa buhay, pwede nilang ma-apply sa work nila. So, kaya yun, dyan pumapasok yung creating a mix of experiences and perspectives. Parang, alam mo yun, nagkakaroon ng uniqueness or something like that. So, types of work, next na. Types of workplace discrimination. The Starbucks prohibits discrimination based on gender, race, religion, social. Yeah, they don't care about that. As long as you can cook, you can serve, you can be a good person. That's what they want. They don't care about any. They don't care about your gender, race, religion, whatever is that. Basta they don't care about it. Basta you're a good person, that's it. That's what they're looking for. Tsaka, pinaprohibit nila yung laws. Tama ba? Basta, ini-include nila yung laws and standards na binigay ng Pilipinas dito sa bansa natin. So, ayun yun. Workplace equality, yan sa picture. Workplace equality and diversity in the Philippines. 8 laws to protect you. Yan, bigyan ako ng example. Unfair treatment, harassment. Nag-iiba no? Nag-iiba yung... Meron lang po ang kodigo, pero... Yan. Denial of transfers, yan. Unfair dismissal. Yan yung mga yun. Ay, hindi pala ata, no? Hindi pala yun. Ito pala yun, ayun pa rin yun, pero ang pinaka-main, yung 8 na yun is, ito, bibigyan ako ng isang extended maternity leave law. Yan, as a woman daw, you are entitled to maternity leave. Yan, is law. Yan, hindi niya. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act. Yan, kahit sino naman siguro yan, kung lalaki, babae. Yun, may mga examples. Reduce risk of bias in hiring promotions, kasi yung iba, gusto babae lang, gusto lalaki lang, or yung iba gusto ano ba? Gusto yung magaling agad. Yan, gusto yung magaling agad, gusto yung meron experience ng 10 years kahit 20 years, kahit 18 years pa lang nabubuhay. Mga ganon. Dahil sa mga yan, nagre-reduce dahil sa workplace discrimination, dahil sa mga yan, policies, laws, standards, dahil doon na-reduce yung bias sa pag-hire or pag-promote. Pag-hire ng mga employees at pag-promote ng company nila. Basta lahat pantay-pantay. Yun na yun. So next tayo, differentiating characteristics. Based sa binigay nila sagot, medyo malayo sa differentiating characteristics. But okay naman itong una, pares pareho lang yan sa una sa nireport ko dito sa yan. Pati yan. Pareho lang yan. Pero sabi dito kasi biographically. Basta yan, tapos sabay, ano ba ang meaning ng biographical?